Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the EPS file is accessible and intact. A broken file won't render. Next, install Ghost Script or a viewer that adds previews because the previewer interprets PostScript data. On Mac OS, add a Quick Look plugin. On Windows, enable thumbnail handlers. Once done, make sure your file manager is set to generate thumbnails and not just icons, since that setting controls whether previews appear immediately in folders. You now generate the preview. Open the EPS in Ghost Script or GSView to see how it rasterizes, because these tools interpret PostScript precisely. Alternatively, use Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape for a vector-native preview. Once you've opened it, refresh your file browser or trigger Quick Look to force thumbnail creation. If the image is blurry or colors shift, change the rendering DPI or color profile. That fixes most visual discrepancies caused by rasterization settings. To finish, decide whether to keep thumbnails or convert the EPS to PDF or PNG for universal previews and quicker browsing. Converting preserves appearance and avoids repeated PostScript rendering. If previews still fail, clear the thumbnail cache and restart the file manager, because stale cache entries block updates. Also check for embedded fonts or PostScript errors in the EPS. Fixing those often resolves rendering failures. If nothing works, open the file in a vector editor to inspect and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.